Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to install .deb files in Linux. Chapter 1. Install .deb Linux graphically. To start, go to the file location. After that, right-click. Then select Open with Other Application. Then click Software Install. Now when the app details load, tap on Install. Enter your administrator password. Wait for the installation to finish. Alternatively, open the terminal. Now install the package manager. Run sudo apt install gdebi, press enter. If necessary, enter the password. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. After this, right-click on the .deb file. Here, select to open with other application, then press on gdebi package installer. Click Select. After that, click Install Package, enter your password and wait for the installation to finish. Chapter 2. Install Linux Ubuntu from terminal. To start, open the terminal. Here, with the command cd, access downloads. After that, list the content with ls. Now to install, run sudo dpkg-i file.deb. If necessary, enter the password. After that, validate that the app has been installed. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.